There are people who heal others. And then there are people made of healing. When a voice that has carried devotion into millions of hearts says those words,
जीवन तो सबको मिला है, उद्देश्य बहुत कम को मिला है। तो इसलिए परम अमृत शायद उसी का अब ये एक उपयोग मेरी बहन लेकर आई है। ये इसलिए जग से न्यारा होगा कि इतनी श्रद्धा से कमर्शियल चीज़ों में भी कोई आता नहीं। परम अमृत और ये गुरु विद्या है। गुरु विद्या को इन्होंने मंत्र विद्या से साधा। अब ये जब भी कार्य करती हैं तो एक साधना स्वरूप में कर।
You stop. Because you understand immediately this is not about a brand. Her name is Dr. Nutan Kher. And her story doesn't begin with a degree. It begins in the early morning quiet of a home where scripture and wisdom were never two different things. At 13, she found what most people spend a lifetime searching for: a path. Through Reiki, through ancient energy, through the kind of stillness that teaches you to listen. By 18, she had mastered it. Decades followed. Ancient texts, spiritual masters. A doctorate earned not to prove something to the world, but to go deeper into it. And a growing, unshakable question that refused to leave her alone. Why does the world ask us to nourish our bodies with things that would never be allowed near our spirit? She looked at skincare the way she looked at everything, with complete honesty. And what she found troubled her. Harsh chemicals dressed in beautiful packaging. Synthetic shortcuts hiding behind ancient names. The language of wellness without any of its truth. So she went back, all the way back, to a practice so old, so precise, so quietly powerful that very few in the world still carry it. Mantra Aushadhi, where a formulation is not simply prepared, it is consecrated. Where sacred sound is woven into the very substance of what touches your skin. This is Param Amrit, not a product, not a line. A life's work made physical. Every formulation, decades of study distilled. Every ingredient sourced from growers who understand what they're growing. Every jar passed through a practice that most of the world has forgotten. If you have ever stood overwhelmed by 1,000 promises that all felt hollow, if you have ever felt that the way the world asks you to care for yourself is missing something you can't quite name, you already know what you were looking for. Param Amrit, ancient in its roots, rare in its practice, made for those who know the difference. Param Amrit, purity consecrated.